Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan a QR code on the Redmi 14C. To scan a QR code, go to Google Lens. You can either go there by clicking on Google Lens, this camera icon on a Google widget, or if you don't have a Google widget, go to Google app, and in Google app you can find the Google Lens icon. Click on it. Then I'm gonna allow access to camera, and now just hover over your QR code with your camera. So here is gonna be my QR code, and let's hover over it. If it doesn't scan, click on the shutter button, and then it will take a picture of it. And now you can see the link. You can click on it and it should get you to Google Chrome or your other default browser and should get you to the link from the QR code. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.